In this video, I will show you how to install the door lock with a car and crack its clock. So in the system, go to real estate, go to room list, and now you choose the room to make install car. Click it, make car. Now we will put the car on the encoder. Okay, car is issued. So we will use the car on the lock to set its room number. The lock gives one long beep, that means setting is a succeed. After this procedure, put the car back to the encoder. This step is very, very important. Okay. Now we go back to the software and check in the room list. The room is already shown as installed. Now we have set the room numbers into the lock. We need to crack the clock inside the lock to match to the real time. It's special for the systems that don't have a gateway unit. You can use a card to crack the clock. So on the system, jump to car and clock car in here. Car time, that means the first hour, the first minute, the car will carry. So select the time. Consider how long you will need to go to the first lock. For example, if I walk to the lock from the computer, it might take about 5 to 6 minutes. I will set the time to 6 minutes later. And let's say that the hour, this one I will set to 0:40. Okay, that will means the hour I will go to the lock. And interval means how many seconds I will use on each lock. For example, I will use on each lock. In first lock, go to the second lock will take 30 seconds. Everyone will set to this interval 30 and issue car. Okay, so the car is already made. So on the lock, I will wait for the minute, go to 40, I have already set, and use the first one. And then I count on the clock for 30 seconds. And then ready on the other lock. So we have already used the car on the lock. Let's see what is happening on the car. So the car is already put back on the encoder. So you might notice that the car time is already set from 14 to 15. So that means each time you use the car on the lock, it will change its time for the next clock you need to set for the next lock. We have used on 2 locks, so the clock on the car just jump in 1 minute.